Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto call of the day. If you've never seen this before, this is whereby I make a call for a Binance project. Any of the coins on Binance, I'll make a call for it and predicting that it's going to go up within the next 7 days, usually by at least 10%. And want it to go up by at least 10%. A lot of the time it goes up 10%, 20%, 30%. Some of the times it goes down as well, but most of the times, most of the calls, say 75-80% of the time it goes up. So this is today's call of the day. Now I'm going to see if we're live or not, just to make sure everything's running okay. We are live, so that's good. So we'll just jump over just now and I'll show you kind of what I'm looking at just now. Okay, we'll have to first look at the Bitcoin price before we make any calls for any altcoins, because there's calls for the altcoins I'm making on Binance. And we'll have to look at the Bitcoin price. If Bitcoin price is going to crash, no point making an altcoin call. So Bitcoin price is stable at 3,578. I was on the kind of show this morning, on the CYT-Crypto show this morning. I was showing how we're in a kind of symmetrical triangle just now with Bitcoin. And even if it goes down to 3,350, it's not a bad thing, because it looks as if we could kind of break out of this symmetrical triangle and go much, much higher. That's kind of what I'm hoping the scenario is. And that's really what I'm looking for. Obviously it could break out below the symmetrical triangle, but we're near the top of that and it's looking to kind of break out of here. That's what I believe is going to happen, and we're going to go up to 4,000, 4,500, maybe touch 5,000 and further up. So that's Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I'm happy to make calls with Bitcoin being at this price. Obviously it could drop at any time, which means the altcoins are going to drop as well, but hopefully come back quite soon as well. Okay, I want to show you something just now. This is Litecoin. Litecoin was a previous call of the day. We kind of called Litecoin and it jumped up by about 30-40%. A lot of people made a lot of money on it. Now, I'm not really one for kind of history repeating itself and all that, but we do look at long-term supports. Now, Litecoin had a long-term support round about this level at 718,000, and then it started going up from there. And the last time it was round about there was 6th of November 2017 and round about December 2017 before it made a huge run up. So it started running up there, and it started running up. If we look at Litecoin, kind of here, we'll look at the day. On the 8th of December, it took 280%, took a 280% jump up, then it kind of traded sideways and kept on going up a wee bit before coming back down. Now, what followed that was a run-up of our call of the day, which is NEO. NEO is today's call of the day at 229,300 Satoshi. We'll officially call it there. So it's 229,300 Satoshi. I've called it a wee bit higher in the premium group, but that's cool. I just think it's going to go up within the next 7 days. Now, if we look back here, and as I said, I'm not really one for history repeating itself, but 4 days after Litecoin had its run, we started to see a run up from NEO as well. We'll just kind of look at that here. And it was a 500% run up from NEO 4 days after Litecoin started its run. Now, Litecoin started its run, what, 7th, 8th of February? And NEO is just starting to make a run for it just now, 2-3 days later. So if we can break 240,000 Satoshi for NEO, I think we could be on to a previous trading channel, which was here, of between 240 and 330,000 Satoshi, if we can break that. So this is now resistance. That's a long-term support, and we're talking like over a year long-term support here, this bottom line. So if we can break that 240,000 Satoshi, then we're on our way up to 330,000 Satoshi. So that could be an extremely kind of big move, good move for NEO, up 40%. And this is what I'm predicting. Is it going to happen within 7 days? That's what I'm kind of predicting is going to happen. I believe it's going to go above 240,000. It's 220 just now, so it's kind of going up and down just now, but it's had a good run up since the crossover. So the 70 EMA has crossed over the 50 EMA on the daily chart, and it's went up about 12% already. I'm expecting that to go up higher, but we'll have to cross this 240,000 level first of all. And Bitcoin is still kind of relatively stable as well. So that's today's call of the day officially for NEO at 229,300 Satoshi. I'll put that kind of down below as well. So that's it. That's today's call of the day. I'm just going to jump over quickly to the chat area. I don't know if anybody's in. Gareth Passage is in. Gareth, I've still to send an email to you. I got that yesterday. I do apologise for not getting back to you. Adam Forrest is in. Donny Don Matthew, hi Steve, nice to catch up for the second live of the day. Yes, this is the second live. I do a live show every morning and try and get a call of the day in as well. I think that's all we have on just now. I've got 20 people watching just now. If you like these calls, just hit the like button as well. If you like the calls of the day, hit the like button. Q Gamer is in. Good morning to, or good afternoon to you. Cookie is in as well. Good afternoon to you. If you're in just now, just say a quick hello, because I'm going to be going in a second if you're watching just now. Adam Vin, Adeb Vin is in. One of our brilliant admins. Good to see you, buddy. Made one of your lives. Great. Yeah, it's brilliant to see you. That was a nice wee surprise. Gareth is saying thanks, Steve. Yeah, I'll get back to you after this. We've been house hunting and that. There's loads going on in my life just now, but I still want to do these calls. Dennis, good to see you again for the second time. Good to see you, mate. I seen you this morning, couldn't pronounce your name. You need to tell me how to pronounce your second name. Dennis van der Heijden. Call it Hayden. See if I've got that right. So that's it. And just so let me know what you think about today's call of the day, which is NEO for 229,300 Satoshi. And you can join us in the premium group if you want calls every day. You get calls every day in the premium group. Not just one a day, it's usually maybe 2 or 3 a day, on average. So make about 50 calls a month, and it's just for Binance coins. I believe you can make a lot of money just trading Binance tokens. Plus, it's a secure exchange relatively compared to all the others. Obviously, no exchange is totally secure, so don't trust that it is. But relatively, and that's why we like trading on Binance as well. And there's only 150 coins on Binance as well. So that's it. That's today's call of the day. And just another, Jason Demek is in as well from Pennsylvania. Greg Samuel's in. Matthew Kreisman is in as well from Darwin. That's right. Excellent. So Hayden. So it's Hayden. Excellent. Remember that. Gareth Passage, BTT. Yeah, BTT was a previous call of the day as well. I don't know if you remember that one, the video for that BTT. Or was it called in a premium group? It was called in a premium group, but we made about 143% on that, which was brilliant. Donny Don Matthew, come to think of it, this bear market has been super helpful for all of us. Accumulating, trading, and also the shakeout of weaker projects means our holding long run is safer. It is. I think it is as well. That's a good point, Donny Don. Okay, I'm going to leave it there just now. These videos are really short, the ones for the calls of the day, but they're only meant to be 5 minutes long, but this is probably 10 minutes. Anyway, we'll leave it there for the moment, and I'll wish you a brilliant day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon if we do another call of the day. So, call of the day, NEO, 229,300 Satoshi. See what happens within 7 days. Come back in 7 days and see what's kind of happened there. Okay, I'm going to leave it there just now. Have a brilliant day. Until next time. Namaste.